Hello everyone. The euro is surging and it's not by accident. As the euro USD pair climbs to 1.1750, its highest levels since 2021, markets are signaling a shift in the global balance. What's fueling the rally? A mix of central bank divergence, political friction, and a quiet strength from euro. Let's break it down. It started in Washington. Reports say that Donald Trump may pre announce Jerome Powell's successor before the election, a move seen as undermining Fed's independence. Names floated include Waller and Walsh, both more dovish than Powell. The result dollar weakness and a sharp lift in the euro USD pair. But this isn't just about the dollar's downfall. The euro is standing taller on its own. ECB's Klaus Knut said the further rate cuts are not ruled out, but pause is likely. Eurozone's current account surplus is expanding. European Union's sovereignty fund boosts long-term investment, while Germany is pushing for an industrial revival within Europe. Europe isn't just reacting, it's realigning. Across the Atlantic, trade anxiety is building. As US tariff threats resurface, Brussels is preemptively locking in alternative deals and hedging against a return to protectionism. At 1.1750, Euro USD reflects more than just rate cut expectations. It captures confidence in European cohesion, strategic foresight, and disciplined monetary policy. The euro isn't just surviving, it's leading, and the markets are taking it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more such updates.